Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial on how to add Linktree to your TikTok bio. Linktree is a useful tool that allows you to share multiple links on your TikTok profile. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up and add Linktree to your TikTok bio in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. The first step is to sign up for Linktree. If you haven't already, start by signing up for a Linktree account. You can do this by visiting the Linktree website and following the sign up process. Once you've created your account, you'll be able to customize your Linktree page with your desired links. Next, copy your Linktree URL. After setting up your Linktree page, copy the URL of your Linktree profile. You'll need this link to add it to your TikTok bio. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device and navigate to your profile by tapping on the Me icon at the bottom corner of the screen. You'll see the options to edit your bio. Add your Linktree URL in the bio section by pasting the Linktree URL that you copied earlier. You can also add a short message or call to action to encourage your followers to click on the link. And finally, once you've added your Linktree URL and any additional text, tap on the Save or Done button to save your changes. Your Linktree link will now be visible on your TikTok profile. Alright, and that was it. You have successfully added your Linktree to your TikTok bio, allowing you to share multiple links with your followers. With Linktree, you can easily direct your TikTok audience to your other social media profiles, websites, or any other links you want to share. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video. Happy linking.